gosh, so I got fined by the police again. And this is so bullcrap. And I got fined by the police again. Man, what do I keep doing wrong? That keeps getting me fined. Like, I don't understand. Like, every single day I get fined all the time. Oh, damn it, there's so much traffic in this. Pass away. Sometimes if there's traffic, I'd rather do this way. Now when I want to go fast, I go this way. For some reason I keep getting fined. I got fined today twice. Fucking roundabout 30 kilometers per hour. Calm down, I can go 50. Maybe it's kind of sketchy going 50. Yeah, come on. It's kind of sketchy going 50 on that roundabout block. I don't give a hell no if it's supposed to go 40. Shit, I almost hit that car. I just got my driver's license, so don't complain if I'm kind of Yo! Yo, that car wanted me to crash. Yo, I just lost control over there. I'm going 60 already. What the shit? Man, shut your ass up. I don't give a hell if it's supposed to be 90. And they're not going 90, so what's a big deal of me? I'm not going 90 because they're not going in 90. They're not even going 50, man. Shut your bin up, man. Stop saying I have to go home rich when I'm 70. You're a blocker. Sometimes if I want to go a little bit faster, I go this way. No! Whoa, I need to look more careful. Shut up, man. No! No. Shit! Shit! I'm losing control! Oh! Shit! I have to shut down the engine because that noise. Shit, that doesn't look good. I don't know what to do, but I gotta deal with this. It's my fault. Not really my fault, but I did kinda made it my fault, but only kinda my fault. Kinda. Man, for fuck's sake. I'm not gonna be warning people. Please. Please. I'm gonna start the engine and I'm gonna see if that beeping noise is still on because that's sounding right. Sounds fine. Yeah, that's fine. Oh shit, I hate it again. Turn off this because that's fine. Alright, that's fine. Alright, hit this building. I think it's gonna be fine if I drive. Shh. What the fuck? Someone was running on the road. This is wrong. They're talking about you. You're not supposed to run on the road. Oh, stop getting in my way. Oh, I went on a red light, I guess. It's okay. It's such a big of a deal. Go! Shit! Shit! Shut up, man! Stop! Stop! Why just shut up? Man, shut. There's something wrong with this engine, I say. I crashed it. But still, it also worked. Let me try to find the problem. It's fine. Okay. What? What the hell? Why is it not moving? I can steer my wheel, but it's not moving. It's going 1, 2 kilometers per hour. But it needs to go at least 20 to be on road. What? I broke down. Just shut up. My car broke down. Sorry guys, I have to go because my car broke down. I have to call the mechanics to fix my car because it crashed a couple of times.